Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time. Are we gonna be drawing together? In this video, we're going to draw a turtle, a sea turtle. Now let's get started. Draw the shell and then the flipper, the 4 flippers, just like this, and then the hind flipper or the back flipper, and we're gonna complete the shell at the bottom and then draw a tail, another pair of flippers on the other side, so you just draw a little bit of part of it seen from this side. And now let's draw the head. And big round eye. Don't forget the sparkle, just draw 2 small circles and then a bigger one for the pupil, the mouth, and the pattern of the shell. And we're gonna make some patterns on the head, just circles. And it's done, we are ready to color. Let's start coloring the shell with the darker shade of brown for the pattern. Just bold the pattern and then continue with the lighter shade of brown, and then after that you're gonna progress with Tosca color, just like the way I'm doing it right now. I hope that you will watch the video till the end so that you know how we step by step coloring the sea turtle. And now we're gonna start coloring the flippers after this with the shade of green, dark shade of green, and also the tail. But leave some part in the middle of the flipper white because we're gonna color it with lighter shade of green. Now we're gonna have this nice color of the flippers, while for the head also the darkest color of green, and then we continue with the light color of green. For the pattern on the top of the head, we're gonna layer it with Tosca and brown and mix them. And then for the bottom of the shell, use the lightest shade of green and dark brown for the eye. And it's done. It's very nice, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.